Hi everyone, in front of me we've got Xiaomi 15 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on the ringtone and here we've been transferred to the online ringtones from which we can choose. If you're not sure whether you want to use something which is online, you can simply tap on pre-installed ringtones. So here we've got those which are pre-installed on the device. However, I will choose something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. And Okay, so basically this is how it works. After tapping, you can decide whether you like this ringtone or not. And if you decide that you want to set this one as your own ringtone, so just tap on this bell icon and confirm it with OK. Wait until your device will download it. And let me quickly check whether it happened or not. Alright, so let's do it again. Okay, select this ringtone, confirm it with OK. And as you can see, you have to have this information that it was applied successfully. And now after getting back, you can see that from now on this ringtone will be set as a default one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.